Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about how to create and customize a website on Ecwid for art and craft supplies business. So as we know, Ecwid is a tool that helps people make online stores. It's like a special program, a special computer program that lets you sell things on the internet. It's easy to use and can be added to websites or social media pages. So if you wanna sell things online, Ecwid can help you do it without too much trouble. So the first thing here you have to do, you have to start for free. So get started. So now it will take you to the dashboard. Okay, so as you see here, this is your dashboard. Here where you're gonna set up your website and the storefront. So as you see here, set up your website and the storefront. Click here. It will take you to the editor page. So here where you're gonna design and customize your website. So click on the settings and go to the templates and select the art topic here, and you can select one of these templates here. So I'm gonna use this template for the art topics. So as you see here, the first thing here you have to do, go to the header in the menu and change your site logo. You can add the site logo as a image or as text. I'm gonna add my business name here. That's it. You can manage the navigation menu. Okay, you can add the menu item also. And the design here of any section you have to try your best to make your site looks attractive to anyone can visit your website. So make sure you don't forget the simple details. Okay. Like the font, like the size, and the color. Okay. If you want to add the frame outline to make it more attractive, the background, and that's it. Now let's go back, let's move on now to the next. Here you can enter the title. Also you can enter here, change the subtitle, the description. Okay, for example, you can type to introduce your website. Welcome to our site for craft and art business or art supplies. Okay, that's it. uh, if you wanna change the image, I think you can change it in the next section. So here you have to change this description here, and if it's matched with your business, you can keep it just like this. The layout, choose your favorite one here. Okay, that's it. Now let's go back, let's move on now to the next section. So the same thing as normal, add the title and add the description. Okay, you can keep this description here like this if it's matched with your business. So if you want to change the image, go to the browser and search on craft and art supplies. Okay. Okay, I need just a simple image. um I don't know. Okay, for example, I'm gonna choose this one here, or this. Okay, I'm gonna choose this. You can select whatever you like. Okay, now let's move on to the design. Choose your favorite layout here, change the color. Okay, change the color, change the background and the description. So as I said, don't forget the simple details. Okay, now let's go back, let's move on to the next section. So here you have to create your product in the store section. So go back to the dashboard, click here at your products or services. Now it will take you to here, this page here, new products. So click new products. Okay, here you have to add the product gallery. So for example, I'm gonna add this one here. Okay. You can add 3 more or 4 more or 2 more images here if you want. So this is just for example. So here enter the products gallery, the name of your products, the REF, the weight 1 kilogram, the prices options. You can customize here the prices options, and the description. So here you can enter the description of your product. That's it. If you're done from here, go back to the editor and complete here the design of the background and the title, and the product name, the product image, the product price. That's it. Now let's go back. Let's move on now to the next section. Here the same thing as normal. Okay, so first you have to change the image. Okay. The same thing as normal, nothing special here. The description, you have to change it, the title and the tagline. You can change the primary action, and the layout, choose your favorite one. Just make sure, don't forget the simple details. Okay, now let's go back. Let's move on to the next section. uh, of course you have to change the image. Okay, change this. um, so the design here, you have to change the title. Okay, that's it. Of course you have to change this description here, and design the color and the font of the description. Now let's go back. The same thing here. Of course you have to change this. Okay, and the design, choose your favorite layout here. Now let's go back. Let's move on to the next. So here about section, you have to talk this, use this space to talk about your typography or your business, your services, your experience, and why should your customers buy from you or use your services for for the art and crafts business. Okay, so you have to change this description and add yours. That's it. Now let's go back. Let's move on to the customer reviews. Here you can add the review text, the author name, and you can also add the image. Okay, that's it. Now let's go back. The design here, you have to choose, you can choose your favorite one. Let's go back. Let's move on now to the next, the contacts. So here you can use this description here, visit our place. Okay, of course you have to change the image. So choose one of image of these images here and upload it. Here you can enter your address business, enter your exact postal address or the plus code. You can enter the daily hours, and you have to enter the contact information, the social profiles, the design, choose your favorite one here, and the description, you can use this one here. We are always happy to see you. Okay, So that's it. The last section here, you have to enter your company name for the copyright, and if you want to add something new, you can add it here at the section. Click here and you can select what kind of section you want to add on your homepage. So that's it. If you're done from designing your website, just publish your website. Now you can start selling. Your site is published, you can start your business. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.